Namaste friends, I am Vinayak Bhatt and this video is about gold predictions using the Vedic Astrology. Okay, so today's date is 31st of December 2024 and we combine the wisdom of Vedic Astrology with modern market insights to decode the mystery of trading. Now today we are talking about something that is shiny and valuable, that is gold. Okay, XAU USD. And of course, how the celestial movements can help us to predict these market trends. These things we will learn. Okay, so I will not make it core astrological video. Okay, because many of people on the internet, they are more interested in the actual predictions. Okay, so I will concentrate more on the predictions part. Okay, so the astrological part I will not cover much in this video. And obviously, I have used some technical analysis also. But that part also I will keep in short. Okay, so stay tuned as I take you through the some fascinating insights and the predictions for next 1 month. Okay, now let's begin with the quick update. As you all can see on your screen, this is the current price for the gold. Okay, it is between 2620 to 2618. Okay, so this is the ongoing thing, and now gold recently showed a very strong rebound within the lower time frames, and it's surging from 2605 to 2615. Okay, so while this may appear bullish, the resistance zone between 2618 and 2625 has proven to be a very significant barrier. Now, what does this mean from the astrological perspective? Let's explore. Okay, so in Vedic astrology, we know that gold is governed by Sun and Jupiter. Okay, when some of texts, Mars is also mentioned. So now we have three planets, so the Sun, Jupiter, and Mars, but primarily we will deal with the Sun and Jupiter only. These planets represent wealth, prosperity, financial growth, everything. Okay, so now currently, uh, if you see the Jupiter transit, okay, it will reflect the volatile nature of the gold market, including the Sun. This explains the sharp upward movements and the inability to sustain at the higher level. Okay, that's why we are seeing all this uh, sharp up down, especially in this gold. Now, from the technical perspective, the current price action might be a bull trap. Okay, tempting traders to go long. Okay, to buy. Okay, only to reverse shortly. Okay, similarly, the astrologically Saturn's influence on the Jupiter, it will create a sense of restrictions. So this means that while gold show short-term bullish movement, okay, it will struggle to break free from its resistance zone. Okay, so my astrological and plus some technical analysis suggests that these this zone from 2618 to 2625 is a resistance level both on the charts and as per the astrological point of view, 2618 to 2625. Let me mark it. Okay, so 26 uh, 18 to 26 25. Oh, sorry. This 26 35, 35 I can mark till approximately like here around sometime here. So 26 20. Reserve currently market is here only. Okay. If gold rebound beyond 2615 again, okay, as it's already there. Okay, so you might consider using this level to initiate the uh, short trades. Okay, just like we have seen planets repeating certain cycles, okay, gold also repeats its cycle. Okay, so it will revisit lower zones around 2600 to uh, 2580. Now, always remember patience is a key. Okay, whether it's watching planetary transits or waiting for right trade setup. Okay, so astrology tell us when energy is conducive and technical analysis help us where to act. Okay, so avoid chasing the price during this rebound and let the celestial alignments guide your moves. Okay, so I will summarize this whole analysis, this whole video. There are three major points. Okay, first, consider this 2618 to 2625 as a resistance zone to short gold. Okay, now this 2625, as you can see right now, okay, it is in 2626. Okay, so we can, okay, slightly take this to 2635 also. The next level, 2635. Okay, but still, for now, we will keep this 2625 only, and the next is 2635. This is the first point. Okay, resistance zone for the gold. Second point is look for retest, okay, around 2600 or 2590, or you can even go to 2580 also. Okay, this is the second point. Watch Jupiter and Saturn transit for clues on the market trend. Okay, for this I will make videos, okay, soon. Okay, so be in touch. So I will be back. Until then, take care. Good night and very happy New Year.